Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says which one of the following statement is incorrect about enzyme catalysis. ठीक है? It is enzymes are mostly proteinous in nature. Enzyme action is specific. Enzymes are denatured by UV rays and at high temperature. Enzymes are least reactive at optimum temperature. ठीक है? So we have to find out the incorrect statement. बच्चों, enzymes are defined as biological catalyst. ठीक है? Enzymes are defined as biological catalyst and they are very important in the catalysis of biochemical reactions. Biological catalyst. ठीक है? And if you see the chemical composition, then enzyme are consist of globular proteins. ठीक है? They are consist of globular proteins, and with the protein part they have another part which is non-proteinous, that is called prosthetic group. ठीक है? That is called prosthetic group. That is called prosthetic group or cofactor. They are also called cofactor. ठीक है बच्चों? So basically enzymes are biological catalyst and they are composed of globular proteins and prosthetic groups. That prosthetic group or the cofactor can be inorganic or they can be organic depending on the function or the type of the chemical reaction that the enzyme is going to catalyze. ठीक है? So these are called cofactors and prosthetic group. So basically if you see the statement that enzymes are mostly proteinous in nature, this is a correct statement because they are made up of globular proteins. Okay. Now enzyme action is specific. Bachcho, these are catalyzing biochemical reaction and different enzymes are responsible for the catalysis of different biochemical reaction, and the specificity is due to this prosthetic group. The catalysis of this enzyme are specific due to the presence of this prosthetic group or cofactors. Okay, so this is also a correct statement. Now enzymes are denatured by UV rays and at high temperature. This is also a correct statement that at high temperature or UV rays enzyme gets denatured. They lost their biological activity. Now enzyme are least reactive at optimum temperature. ठीक है? So बच्चों at optimum temperature, and this temperature is at 310 Kelvin temperature. ठीक है? And at pH 6 to 8. This is the optimum condition where the enzymes are most reactive. ठीक है? These are most reactive or they decreases the activation energy and increases the rate of reaction at optimum temperature or optimum condition. ठीक है? Most reactive. So this is called optimum. 310 Kelvin is called optimum temperature. So at optimum temperature enzymes are very reactive. ठीक है? And this is the optimum condition for the high reactivity of the enzymes. So this is a wrong statement that enzymes are least reactive at optimum temperature. This is a wrong statement. So the correct option here, because we have to find out the incorrect statement, and the correct option is D. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.